Zimbabwe.
Yeah, these are my Mbiras which I made just for playing. I used to play these three Mbiras. This tune, big one, is Nyabango tuning. The second is Magandanga or Mavembe. And this one is Haima Ororo. So, and I made some three Mbiras for my friend Pchigwedere. They are used to be played by pchigwedere. And I have some many Mbiras here, which are Nimamsasa tuning. Some call them Magaya tuning. They are just the same as Magaya's tuning. And I have one Magandanga again here, or Mavembe, and I have a big low Mahororo, which is the bass with the extra keys, and I have Nyabango 1 key lower than Mahororo tune or Nyamaropa. So these Mbiras are for sale, and I will remain with the 3 for playing. I think that is my message to the Mbira players. If someone wants to buy anyone, you can come and we can talk. And on these ones, I have one Haima Aurora again, the same tune with my last small one. It is in the same key. And this Magandanga is in the same key with my old Magandanga. So I used to play them in different tunes. It's easy to learn. It's a very nice melody sound when you know how to play them. They are just playing, just learning like what you did on beginning to learn Mbiras. So these are my instruments. Right now I have 10 for sale.